so this is heavy.
Hello YouTube, Dion from M.A.D with the unboxing of Genesis Helium 600. This is a 2.1 gaming speaker set with a total power of 60 watts and a real gaming aesthetic with black and red accent colors. So that's Genesis. The sound system is comprised of 2 satellite speakers and a really huge subwoofer, plus a cable volume knob. Since this is a really huge box, we have a pair of handles to carry it around, and here we can see the main features of this sound system. Now what is interesting is the powerful bass. There's a headphones output, an auxiliary input and a bass treble knob, which are great features for this 60 watt system that you can also connect with any external device and listen to music or use it for any type of media consumption. Plus this is a wooden case with a really elegant gaming aesthetic, and this really adds to the value of this product that comes at a really aggressive price and leaves less to be desired from the competition. Now here you can see the specs. Yet again, this is a 60 watt RMS output, and this is a 2.1 speaker system with a gaming aesthetic. We have a wired remote controller and a great price. That's all with the specs, so let's open this box. Well, I suppose we won't need a knife here. Now still this is a really nice packaging, but it's not very of the secure type, meaning this is all cardboard. It will take some damage. I guess there is a real gap here, but I'm expecting some styrofoam inside, so I expect it to be somehow protected, and we should take this seal off easily somehow like this. Yeah, here we have it. Still this is a robust box. We can carry it around from the handle, but I would like some extra protection inside to secure the product while shipping when most damage is happening. Yeah, this is an empty space here. Okay, you can see here there are 2 handles to open it, and it's totally empty. I would like to see some foam here, but anyway, here's the manual, as you can see, and what seems a warranty card. So let's check it closely. Okay, here we have the manual. It has all the ways to connect the satellites with a woofer and your PC in various languages. You should take a look at this one to connect everything right. And what it says here is a warranty card. No, it's a disposable thing. So let's open this place here. Okay, and here's the real compartment. Here are the woofer and the rest of it. And here we have the knob with a really long cable, as it seems. Okay, we have a real nice logo here from Genesis. And this is a full rotational knob, as it seems, plus the headphone and the auxiliary input. Some anti-slippery pad for your desk. This one has 3 connectors. That seems to be 2 for the speakers and 1 for the PC input. There's a very long cable. This is a really nice addition. This one we need the most of the cable to route it from the back of your PC and control it with a knob. And that brings us to the meat and potatoes, the woofer and the speakers. And they're somehow stuck in the styrofoam, so let us flip it over and take them out without making any damage to them. Well, they're really stuck in there, so we can only do one thing here. Flip it over and let them get out by the gravity. Okay, here we have it. There's a lot going on here. Here's the woofer, and here are the speakers. These have a similar texture on them, this carbon fiber like of a sports car theme, which is surprisingly elegant. So here we have it. This is the Genesis logo, a red accent inside, the tweeter, and I really like this texture of it. Now the cable, it seems to be fairly long. There seems to be enough length to access the connection to the woofer. Here we have this typical speaker connector to plug in the left or right adapter, and below we have 4 rubberized feet so that will not damage the surface of our desk. really nice. I really like the aesthetic of this. So let's take the other one. Let's bring the woofer the other way around. Now of course this should be supplemented with the second one. We have nothing here. And let's just open also this one, like it so. Okay, again we have the same texture. I really like this texture. This feels like a sports car or something. And it has this rectangle shape inside. As you can see, it is somewhat glossy. And I don't know why most of the gaming peripherals don't have the same texture. I cannot understand it. It is really nice. Now here we have the other connector. Still we have the same long cable. That seems also the same length as the other one. Okay. And here we have this. Okay, let's clean this here. We have them ready. And just let's check the woofer now. Man, this packaging leaves a lot of residue for real. Let's just get rid of this packaging material. So this here is the subwoofer, and let us make some space here. This is a fairly big woofer for this size of speakers, even for the asking price. Let's open it. This seems to be a really nice addition. It seems really powerful and will complement the 2.1 system really nice. Let's open it from here. Yeah, here it is. On the woofer we have the volume control. Essentially this is a wooden box, and there we have it. Wow, well, this is really nice. It still has this carbon fiber texture on it, even here at the bottom, where you can see there are 4 rubberized feet, so that won't move on the surface. We'll leave it. Let's clean this here. There's a lot of residue from the packaging. And here we have it. This is a total of 60 watts RMS output. And here we have the power cable. This seems to be fairly long. Yeah, okay, this is not the longest ever, but this will be enough for the distance you need from your wall power socket to plug this one and give it some power. Okay, now the front side we still have the same color, the red accent and the Genesis logo on a metal frame. Build quality is quite nice. On the other side we have a vent here, and let us go back to the connectors real quick. On the other side here we have an on-off switch, as you can see here. Well, this seems to have an LED when it is powered on, like it's so. 2 knobs for adjustment for the volume and the subwoofer reverb, and 4 inputs. That seems this is the speakers left and right, and also the cabled wired controller. There's already seem to be labeled with red and white for left and right, so I guess the input is to be connected with the external knob and the extension we have here. And this is to connect to our PC, and here we connect white goes to white, red goes to red. This is ready to go. This is for handling the volume from a distance with our volume knob and not from the rear side of the woofer. I would like some LED indication here, but okay, perhaps I'm too picky. And now again we have to connect the speakers. Again, white goes to white and red goes to red. These left and right speakers. The connector's color is black, so they go either way. And as it is here also the one. And this is ready to go. Now, this is a really straightforward connection, and I can already say that this is a great value as a product for any gamer. So this was the unboxing of the Genesis Helium 600. Feel free to leave us a like, subscribe, and as always from M.A.D Tech, thank you for watching.